Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to EVS subject. Today we are going to study a new lesson number 13, facilities for our use. In this lesson, we will identify the need of public facilities and we will study about how to protect our public facilities. Let us move on to the lesson. See here, there is one small story. Let us see this story. On one sunny day, the children were going to visit various places in their locality. In their locality means nearby them. They are going to visit some of the places. Okay. All the children were very happy and all of them came to the school very early, and as soon as they came to the school, the bus arrived at the exact time. All the children went in a queue and sat in the bus. The bus started and it stopped at the library. So, in the library, all the children get down and they read the books carefully. They moved around the library silently and they took some of the books and read them for some time, and they kept them back in their places and came out of the library, and then they sat in the bus. See children, here in the picture you can see some of the boards in the library. Look at the picture here. This is the picture of a library. Okay. So here you can see some of the boards. Can you see here? Do not litter, do not tear the books, silence please. See children, if you go any library nearby your places, these are the boards which you can find in the library. Why we should maintain silence in the library? Because it is place where we read the books. If we do the noise, it make disturbance. So, we should maintain the silence in the library. If we go to the library, we have to maintain silence. And we should not tear any of the books in the library, because it is a public property. All the people will come to read the books here and they will keep it back. So, we also have to read the books and keep it back in the exact place from where you have taken out. Okay. And we should not tear the books. And library is a very clean place and their books were arranged neatly. So, you should not do any of the dirtiness over there. Okay. So, after visiting the library, all the children went back to the bus. Here, one question is there. Have you seen the library in your locality? What rules have you followed there? Right here. Children, have you visited the library near your home, nearby your place, or nearby your school? You have visited the library. What are the rules you have followed there? That you should write here. Okay. See, first thing is we should maintain silence in the library, and second thing is we should not tear any books, and we should keep the books in the same place from where we have taken. Okay. So, we should make a habit of visiting the library and reading the books. It is very good habit to go to library and read the books. Okay. Now, see, all the children were seated in the bus and the bus stopped at the bus station. After seeing library, the children went to bus station. Okay. What is a bus station, children? Yes, bus station is a place where the buses will come and go. Okay. So, children got down the bus. They went round the bus station and they observed some of the things. What they have observed? See here. In the picture, you can see a boy is closing the tap and he is telling someone has not closed the tap. The water is running and I will close the tap. See, in the picture you can see the water is going out of the tap. Somebody, they have used the tap, they did not turn out off and water is flowing. So it is very bad thing. Children, if you see anywhere the water is going out from the tap, you have to immediately turn out of the tap. That is a very good habit, and if you save the water, and it is helpful for others. Yes. So here the boy is closing down the tap. Here you can see one more boy is telling, people put waste outside the dustbin. It is our bus station. Let us keep the bus station clean. So that boy is keeping all the waste inside the dustbin. Now see here, near the bus station, you can see some of the people will sell fruits, vegetables, sweets, snacks, etc. Here two children are speaking. Don't you know that we get diseases if we eat these open and cut fruits? Cover them with a lid. See, the boy is telling to the fruit seller that if we eat these open and cut fruits, we may get diseases. So if you want to sell fruits, you can, but you have to cover the cut fruits with a lid. These are all the things which children were observed in the bus station. Here one question is there. How did the children cooperate in cleaning the bus station here? Bus station. Here we have to write what all the children have done to clean the bus station. So let us write here. They closed the tap and saved the water. They put the waste in the dustbin to keep the bus station clean and create the awareness of diseases spreading by eating the things which are open. Okay. Next, see, how is the bus station of your place? Yes, children, all of you having bus station in your locality. And how is the bus station of your place? You can write here. So here you write, I have nice bus station in our locality with drinking water facility and toilet facility, and it is also cleaned. So like this you write here and complete this activity. Okay. Now you understood about library and bus station, and next about hospital and the park we'll see in the next class. Thank you, children.